Hi, if you're new here, my name is Brittany and I'm currently doing a series where I'm trying to find the best botanical gel. We are starting Battle of the Botanicals round 4. We have the Doux 808 Base Gel and this is Adwoa Beauty Melonberry Smoothing Gel. Boom. So both of these have been unopened, I have not smelt it, I don't know the texture, anything. You already know the drill, we're doing first impressions and these gels are going to be battling it out. I'm just sectioning off the crown. I'm going to pin this side up. All right, now you want to get your hair soaking wet to the point where you're making a mess in your bathroom. All right, let's get the first impressions of this. The aloe vera gel is third on the ingredient list. This is the texture. Okay, if you have ever had toaster strudel, the little icing that comes in the pack, it smells like that. Essentially smells like icing, which is really random. I will say between this and Camille Rose, they have a very similar texture, just so easy to glide in. Kinky Curly was also like this too, like just so much slip and very smooth, easy to use. I really like this. I also have a slight preference for gels that come in a pump bottle. So I'm not gonna lie, I like how this feels. I will say so far Camille Rose, Kinky Curly, and this one were my favorite in terms of how it feels, smoothing it into the hair and the texture. Alright guys, so now I'm going to use my Denman brush to brush style this side of my head. If you have more patience than me, I would suggest sectioning your hair. The parts that I do brush style, I throw them behind so that they don't get mixed up. And that works for me, but just try to get as close to the root as possible too. All right, this side is done with the 808 gel. Okay, I'm gonna unlock Adwoa Beauty. Very similar texture, like, ooh, a little bit, maybe a bit more liquidy smell. This smells very fruity as you think melon, what is it called? Melonberry and then vitamin C. So it's citrusy, watermelon for sure. I smell watermelon and they have a picture of raspberry. So this is a very fruity, again, one of those strong smelling gels, if that's a very important factor for you. This reminds me of Jolly Ranchers, the smell. It's just so fruity and it's kind of making me hungry. I want some gummies now. All right, now I'm going to brush style this side. All right guys, this is what it looks like. Both sides look pretty good. Just based on the feel, I'm predicting this side with the Adwoa Beauty will have less of a cast and not as strong of a hold as 808 gel. Again, probably because like it says on the bottle that this is for fine hair. But I don't know, I have to wait and see. That's just my predictions. If I had seen on the bottle, like if I was paying attention and saw for fine hair, I might not have included it in the battle just because it's so specific to fine hair, but it's great to be able to highlight a brand that maybe none of you guys have heard of before. I know I haven't heard about it, and again, Black owned beauty, we love that and we will always support. So I'm gonna go diffuse and I'll be back with my final wash day 0 thoughts. Visually, they look the same. Feel the same. I'll be back tomorrow to compare day 1 curls once my hair has had time to fully dry and fluff up a bit. So see you guys tomorrow to check in. This is day 1 hair. Right away, I could tell on the 808, where is it? The 808 base gel. It always had this kind of oil smell to it, even on the first day that I couldn't pinpoint, but now that I'm feeling the texture of it, it's heavy. Usually botanical gels don't have that heavy oily feeling, and I just went to double check and look on this bottle, and I was right. Ingredient list is as follows: water, glycerin, aloe vera leaf juice, and then PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil. So that's oil is in the 4th ingredient, and I usually do not like having oils so far up on the ingredient list because this is how it feels. It feels like oily, but the definition looks good. Will it hold up for the next few days? I don't know. I'm not used to my botanical gels and my curls feeling like this, but maybe that's the secret to having the best hold. But yeah, just an observation. I wouldn't say it's good or bad. We'll see how it holds up. And then now for the Adwoa Beauty side, I have to put the bottle back in this, but it's the Adwoa Beauty bottle. This side is more what I'm used to when using a botanical gel. Very light, fluffy, still has some good hold. Yeah, both sides look great. I would say definitely there's more definition on the 808 base gel side. So I'm going to separate my curls and pick out my roots, get some volume. I like to oil up my hands, and I'm gonna start the 808 base gel side first. Coming apart very easily. I wouldn't say there are a lot of big clumps. I'm separating the Adwoa Beauty side now, and there are definitely kind of more clumps. I feel like there's a bit more spiral on this side, and the curls feel a bit fluffier, so the hold is not as strong and there's not as much definition, but I do like having the right amount of fluffiness. I feel like this side kind of feels scraggly, like it looks oily. Like too oily. I'm trying to show, yeah, like just look at these pieces. I don't know if I really like that look, but it does kind of have a wet look. I don't know. Like for example here, like it just looks so, I mean, is that bad? I don't know. I think this will come down to a preference thing for sure. Like me picking one of these sides is going to be very much just what I prefer. Because if you're someone who likes definition, I actually think the 808 is perfect. I feel like it makes my curls more wavy looking. Maybe that's what's throwing me off. Instead of curly, whereas you see on this side with the Adwoa Beauty, there's a bit more curl. I guess we're so high up this whole time, sorry. So that's kind of just a preference. Like I like my hair to look really bouncy and flowy and voluminous. Whereas this side just looks like straight. It feels heavy and just looks like defined waves, you know, like that's not necessarily the look I like to have for my everyday. For my day-to-day, I can definitely say I prefer the volume and the movement and the bounce from the Adwoa Beauty side. Guys, that's it for the day 1 check-in. I will see you in 4 days. Hi guys, we're at day 5. So let's take a look here. You guys let me know in the comments, what do you think? Based on what I'm seeing and what I'm feeling, I think I'm gonna have to go with the Doux 808 base gel. I wasn't the biggest fan in the beginning because I had never used a product like this that was so oily. But, you know, the curls are way more defined and I do like how thick and clumpy they are and they're still holding together. I like this a lot, and there's minimal frizz. Frizz is not the biggest deal breaker because I do like a little volume, but I want kind of like a more controlled minimal frizz. We have the Adwoa Beauty side, and this side, I mean, at the end of the day, they look very similar regardless, but this side definitely has a bit more frizz. This is a more lightweight hold gel. This side always, from the beginning, felt fluffier, felt lighter, so if you like that feel more, you'll like this. Again, I want to mention, this does say for fine hair, and I don't have fine hair, so that's my bad. I can't expect this to work the way I want it to. I bought the wrong thing. But anyways, I just got so excited that I found an aloe vera based gel in Sephora. So if you're someone with fine hair and you like a really nice citrusy smell, I think you'll love this. Like I said, it's so lightweight, so it's not gonna weigh your fine hair down, and yeah, and it's not too oily or anything like that. So definitely a great option for my girls who have fine hair. So we just finished our, I'm gonna call it level 1. So we did 4 rounds. This was our 4th round of level 1. Now I'm going and I'm taking the winners of each round that we did previously. So if you guys remember, and if not, guys, go to the beginning and start from the beginning. But in round 1, B-Girl was the winner and Kinky Curly was the winner. So now these two are gonna face off in our next video. So I'm gonna call that level 2 for simplicity's sake. So guys, see you in the next video while our winners face off. Excited to see this round, actually. Very excited to see these two face off. Thanks so much for watching today's battle. Remember to subscribe if you don't want to miss all the following episodes, especially the one where we crown the winner, which will be in 2 videos. So remember to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried any of these gels? I would love to know. And yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.